Hi, this is Tamara from mooglyblog.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about the popcorn stitch. You can see I've made 3 popcorn stitches right here. The popcorn stitch is a lot like the bobble stitch in that it creates a highly textural 3D pop out of the fabric, but this one, unlike the bobble, is worked from the right side, whereas the bobble stitch is usually worked from the wrong side of the fabric. To work a popcorn stitch, you work a series of complete double crochets all into the same stitch. This could be 4, it could be 5, it just depends on the pattern you're working. Let's make 5. So going into the same stitch, we're going to make 5 complete double crochets. Here's our third. You can see I'm going into the same stitch each time. 4 and 5. Now, here's where we make it into the popcorn stitch instead of just some sort of shell. Very carefully pull your hook out of the working loop, keep it there, and put your hook from front to back right in the top of the very first double crochet you worked for this stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right into that top under both loops. Then going in the same direction, go back into that working loop, hook the loop and pull it right through the top of that first stitch. Chain 1, and you've made a popcorn stitch. Let's work a couple of double crochets to give ourselves some space, and we'll make another one. Okay, let's make a popcorn stitch in this next stitch. This time let's do it with 4 double crochets. Working into the same stitch each time, we'll make 4 complete double crochets. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our 4 double crochets are complete, so I'll carefully pull the hook out, put it into the top of the first double crochet of the series there, back into the working loop, and pull that loop right through the top. I'll chain 1 just to lock it in, and we've made a 4 double crochet popcorn stitch. Let's make one more. I'll work a couple of double crochets to give ourselves some space here. Let's make another 5 double crochet popcorn stitch. So into the next stitch, going under both loops of the V there, let's work 5 complete double crochets. This is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull the hook out. You can pull the loop up if it makes you feel more secure. Pull the hook out, go into the top of the 5th one. You can count back from the left if you need to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go under both loops of the V, then back into the working loop and pull that loop right through the top. Chain 1, we'll double crochet in the next one, and there you can see we've made another popcorn stitch. So altogether, we've made 6 popcorn stitches, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.